Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have this problem. It's called Roman to integer. Today we have the problem say that you have the Roman numerals are represented by seven different symbols. We have the I, V, X, L, C, D, and M, where the I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, and M is 1000. And for example, we have 2 is written by 2 I's, which is 2 ones. In the Roman numeral, just 2 ones added together. We have 12 is added by adding 10 and 2 ones, so XII. And if you can see that from here we type the bigger number first, largest is first, and after that we go from the small and the small and the smallest, which is simply as you can see here, the x plus 10 plus 2, the number 27 is written as xx v11, so xx means 2 tens, so 20, v is 5, and 1 is 2, so it's 27. We have the Roman numerals are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. However, and this is where the problem become quite complicated. However, the numeral for 4 is not 4 ones. Instead, the number 4 is written as I and V, which will be I and V, it's 1 minus 5, so it will be 4, because the 1 is before the 5, we abstract it, making 4. The same principle applies to the number 9, which is written as IX. There are 6 instances where this abstraction is used. We have I can be placed before V or X to make 4 9. X can be placed before L and C to make 40 and 90. C can be placed before D, which or M and M to make 400 and 900. So right now we want to write the function that returns, like takes the strings and returns the number. So for example, we have 3 i's. The number will be 3 because 3 i's is equal for 3. We have this number, which will be 58 because L is 50, V is 5, and 3 i's is 8. This one is 1994. So basically we have M 1000, and we have CM, which is 900. Let's just again, C is 100 and M is 1000, and we have XC again. It's 90 because C is C is 100 bardo. Yeah, C is 100, and X is 10 is yeah, 6 is 10, and we have IV, which is 4. If you can see these variations, there is something interesting about them. Like most of the numeral numbers are from largest to smallest. However, when we find the smallest to largest, that means we have one of these 6 cases, that 4 or 9 or 40 or 90 or 400 or 900, because most of the time we have, like for example, we have this one, we have 100, and after that we have 5 and 3 ones. So it's just from large to small, largest to smallest. However, when you come here, you have 1000, everything is okay. You have C, which is 100, and after that you have M again, 1000. So when you have a small and the number after this number is bigger than it, that means we have one of these 6 situations. So we can just take this perspective and try to code. So what we do first I want to store this values as a table. Okay, so let's see here, because it will be such a tedious work. I don't wanna have, so I will have a map called values, called map, and I just try to put this. No. If they make formats by themselves, it will be the best. I just to copy these values because I don't wanna put all of them, because it will be quite tedious work to do, to be honest. Okay. Oh no. Yeah. Okay. So after that, we have our values, and we put all the values in of the Roman numeral in this table. So well, what I can think about first, I wanna have a sum, and just I wanna return the sum, because we return a sum here. So let's have a sum which equals 0, and after that I will return the sum. Okay. And I will say I wanna loop. Okay. I could use a for loop, but I just wanna change the way that we do loops, because not every time I'll do for loop, because yeah, it will get quite boring. So let's just make a while loop. So I'll have let I equal 0. So I'll say while I is less than is dot length. I will say that we have a value called let current. Let's call it current, which will equals s dot I, and that means maybe you will get these simples, like for example you get a simple like that. So s dot 0, it will equal the first I. So we want to do something. Each number we found, we like get its value from the table and add it directly to the our sum number. So I will say we have let first of all I will say let current value first. Let's just fetch the current value. So let current value equals values dot get of current. Okay, and I will return. I will say sum. I will add the current value to sum. So sum plus equal to current value, and I will say I plus plus. And this will work. However, this code will work, but whenever we found any of these 6 situations, this code or this while code while block will not deal with these situations in the best way. So how can we do it? First of all, we want to check if the current symbol, the current value, is bigger than the next value. If it's bigger, then we assume that it's not one of the 6 situations. Otherwise, it's one of the 6 situations. So how can we do this one? Let's just see. So first of all, we will do it like that. I will say if the current value is less than let's create next value also. So let's have let next value, and let's see how this next value will equals. Let's just make it 0 at the beginning, and I wanna make if we have something to be next. This is the thing that I'm thinking about, because if we are in the in the last element, there is no next value. So the first thing that I will see if I can find something to loop through. So if I plus 1 is less than s.length, okay. So if I can find something to loop in, I will say const first of all next will equals let's call it next simple. The next simple simple will equals s of I plus 1, and I want to say the next val will equals values dot get values dot get next simple. Okay, and when I get the next value I want to know if the current value is smaller than the next value, because if that was the case, that means we are in one of these six situations. Okay, so I will say if that was right, first of all the sum will plus and equal what? Let's just go here. Let's just take this one as an example. The CM, okay, C is 100 and M is 1000. So the current value plus equals whatever come from the current for the next will be bigger. Sorry, next value minus current value. Okay. And because we have done this way, we should jump twice, because these two simples together, they are represent one number, because these 6 situations, they are the all situations that been represented by two simples. So the I will add I plus 2, because there's no need to go through this number again. Else, if that wasn't the case, that means we have a normal situation. So we go with the first one, which is we add the sum to the current value, and I will be, we increase I plus 1. But so let's just equal and plus equal 1, and after that we return sum. So yeah, that's it. Let's just try to run this test, because here it is. I think this will work. Let's just run this test. Okay, it's worked on every cases. Okay, it was accepted. So let's just submit it directly. Okay, it was accepted. But I'm beating 24%. It's not that good. It's not the best thing ever. However, I will create upcoming videos to try to describe more solutions, because right now we are deciding to take one Leetcode problem and just try to find more than one solution for this specific problem. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope my description is quite good. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video.